It's the 15th of July, which makes it my 15th birthday, and it's time for a lift tour. And today I'm at Wellington Hospital. But today I'm not going to tell you much about the lifts. I'm going to make it a bit more of a surprise, because I think that, to be honest, in my lift tours I kind of give away most of the information about the lifts before I even play the clip, which is a bit boring really. So I'm going to leave some surprises up to you. So we're going to start in the modern hospital, in the modern building, coming into the main entrance and going into the orange lifts, which are Schindler's. These are the orange lifts at Wellington Hospital.
Lift stopping level 6.
Going down.
Lift stopping level 2.
Going down.
Yeah, going down.
Lift stopping level 1.
This is the basement. Going up.
Yeah. Level 2. Thank you.
Lift stopping level 2.
These lifts are extremely busy. They're the orange lifts. Next, I'm now to a Schindler escalator. This is a Schindler escalator at Wellington Hospital. Just walk up a bit. And now into the green lifts, which are also Schindler's. Down. Ooh.
Lift stopping level 2.
This is the green lift at Wellington Hospital. Ooh.
Lift stopping level 1.
Three's the highest that you can go in these lifts.
Lift stopping level 3.
There we go. And now we're going to go into the red lifts, which are some more Schindler's. These are the red lifts at Wellington Hospital. These lifts only go as high as 4. More Schindler EuroLift MRLs.
stopping
What's
level
this
1.
side? Here it is. 3. Cab view. Pretty basic cab though, pretty nice ceiling. Pretty much the same design as the
Level
others.
3.
And now into the purple lifts, which are some old 70s OTIS lifts that have been modernised. Nice to look like 90s OTISes. These are the purple lifts. This is one of the ones that doubles as a service lift. Modernised. Don't think they're as busy as they were. Yes, non-stop. Go back to 3. There we go. Old logic. Only the 2 lifts on the right have the rear doors. The 2 lifts on the left don't. Now you've got the old label that has the capacity in pounds and the capacity in kilos. Here we are at 3. See if there's a left lift available. Oh no, it's just giving us the same one. Oh well. And now into a lift which isn't even on the official map. The old OTIS lift in the Children's Hospital. Sadly, the interior has been refurbished. Okay, we are in the Children's Hospital, just around the corner from the main hospital. Two needs a key, so we'll go to 4. So 70s OTIS. It's a hydraulic. The interior's been refurbished to make it a bit more child friendly. And the indicator's all burned out, but rather nice. Looks a bit bummed, doesn't it? U1. Nothing to look at really other than the interior. Just let them go out. Nice OTIS Lexan. And the bell's cool too. See that thing in bell. And now, going on to the awesome blue lifts. These are some really amazing old OTISes. And that's all I'm going to tell you, as I'll leave the rest to you as a surprise. This is going to be awesome. Touch sensitive. What lift are we going to get? It's the one on the left. Classic levelling. Very nice. It's locked. So we go to 12. Barely touch it. Watch the indicator going up. See this? Classic levelling. If we go back to 3. See, door open works. Oh, press door open, it shuts again automatically. Nice original interior. These are totally original 70s OTIS with round touch sensitive Lexan. In the Wellington Hospital Tower, these are the blue lifts. Here we are at 3. again there. Awesome classic levelling. There it goes. That's it. We've done the new building and the old 70s building, but now we're going to come out and go into the other 70s building, which is not connected to the other two, the Grace Neal Block or GMB building, and we're going to go into the EuroLifts, which are some old OTIS lifts that have been modernised by Kone. Here we come to the GMB building or Grace Neal Block. We're about to go and ride the EuroLift. That there is the service lift. Kone mod. At least they're both working this time. One of these was broken last time. Didn't stop. Oh, I'm just in the way of the door now.
Going up. Sixth floor. Going up. Ninth floor. Going up. Eleventh floor. Going up.
Finally, we've got the lift to ourselves. 70s Otis, modernized by Kone. You can hear the old motor. This was the one that was broken last time. Generic indicator, KDS buttons.
Going down.
Beeps. Only beeps the first time though. Nice interior. Generic indicators aren't very good. Hopefully we won't stop. I don't think we are going to stop. Man, Kone's LED scrolling arrows indicators are so much better than these generic ones. Here we are. Oh, look at this. There's the car next door, which is span 3. There it goes. That's it.